For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about different vowel combinations and syllables. So today, we're going to use that knowledge and play a game called Lotto. Lotto is where you take an entire game board and you want to fill it up with cards. Let me explain. Each of these cards has a vowel combination and a certain number of syllables. You are going to match up the vowel combination and the number of syllables to your game board. Let's do the first one together. This word is housekeeper. Now, I see the vowel combination of EE. So I see EE here, I see EE here, I see EE here, and I see EE here. There's a number underneath each of these vowel combinations, and that tells you the number of syllables. So housekeeper has 3 syllables, and it has a vowel combination of EE. So you will click and drag housekeeper to one of the spaces that has the vowel combination EE and the number 3. It looks like there's 2 spots here. It does not matter where you place it. I'm going to go ahead and drag it all the way down here. Now I have one piece of my game board covered. You will continue doing this until your entire game board is covered. Once it is covered and you have them all matched up with the vowel combination and the number of syllables, make sure you click Submit Assignment to your teacher. Now, some of these words can be difficult, so I am going to read some of them for you. This is reasonable, peacefully, entertainment, decrease, exceed, display, yesterday, degree, underway, agreement, painful. Those are all the words. If you get stuck or you're not sure what a word is, raise your hand and your teacher will assist you.